Okay. Uh, you know, in this country, there is a place where you can withdraw free money, like one times in a week. That is how the government do this place. For you to know how good that the government of this country is, in a country whereby you have to withdraw free money one times in a week. But all right, let me take you to the place where they used to withdraw the free money once in a week, to tell you about the way the government care about the people of a country, the country that somebody is living. Even where I'm not an indigenous or a citizen of a country, but you have right to withdraw free money once in a week. So follow me. Let me. You withdraw free money once in a week. This is a country, not a country that is not even my country. But I'm just like, you know, honestly, you guys think that there is a bank in Europe where you can withdraw free money? Is that what you are thinking? There is nothing as such. I know that most of you, if you are from Nigeria, you will be thinking before that, oh, Tinubu is a bad person. You see country, there is no place, where you will withdraw free money. There is not. You people should not be blaming Tinubu for this, that, oh, Tinubu is a bad man. Look at the country where you can withdraw free money. There is nothing as such. They don't have nothing as such. So anything you have in Europe here, you work for it. It's what you work for, that is what you have. So there is no single amount of, oh, I bless you with that or this or that. So guys, those things are trick. Most people in maybe Africa or somewhere, they thought that, oh, in Europe you just have money to pick on the floor. There is nothing as such. Even if, since I've been living in this country, I've not seen any cent on the floor. Even if you see money is been lost by maybe an African man, not a white man. They don't lost money. So that is that, guys. You guys should not be blaming Tinubu that, oh, maybe there is a country, or that country they used to withdraw free money. Guys, there is not. Okay, anything you have in this country, you work for it. So thank you, guys. And guys, please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Okay, if you like this, follow me. If you don't like it, follow me too. Okay, and like, share, and comment. Okay, so thank you, guys.